In this video, we are going to talk about 4 Bitcoin predictions for 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. 1. Bitcoin will hit $100,000. Steve Ehrlich, CEO of Voyager Digital, told The Independent that he believes the ups would exceed the downs next year. Bitcoin, in his opinion, is the face of the crypto world, and he believes it will eventually reach $100,000. Although many experts are prepared to be held down to a time limit, there are many positive Bitcoin price forecasts. For example, prominent Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy predicts BTC will ultimately reach $6 million, but he doesn't specify when. According to Bloomberg, Kraken CEO Jesse Powell advises customers to think of Bitcoin as a 5-year investment. It fluctuates from day to day and week to week. You should not trade this on a short time period, he said. It's more of a buy and hold investment, says the author. Others, as is typically the case with cryptocurrency, feel a price fall is on the way. According to CNBC, a finance expert at Sussex University believes the granddaddy of cryptos might fall below $10,000 next year. She considers cryptocurrency to be more of a toy than a viable investment. She isn't the only one who has warned investors that the price of Bitcoin might plummet to zero. Robert Macaulay recently wrote in a guest essay for the Financial Times that Bitcoin is worse than a Ponzi scheme, in part because of its environmental effect. Macaulay works at Boston University's Global Development Policy Center as a non-resident senior fellow. 2. Bitcoin will be adopted by even more people. The creator of the Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals, Rick Edelman, has made various forecasts for 2022. One prediction was that by the end of the year, more than 500 million individuals throughout the globe will hold Bitcoin. He's not on his own. According to Cointelegraph, BlockFi co-founder Flory Marquez thinks that higher adoption will be driven by legislative certainty and a better knowledge of the business. More nations may follow El Salvador's lead and adopt Bitcoin as legal money. Many individuals, like Navik co-founder Abhimanyu Kumar, believe that the rise of blockchain gaming would encourage more people to invest in cryptocurrency. Because of the nature of the media, it will lead the adoption curve. It's both entertaining and enjoyable. It simplifies cryptography, I told Blockworks, he said. However, prominent Bitcoin skeptic and CEO of Euro-Pacific Capital, Peter Schiff, said that rising investor interest is partly due to the volume of press coverage. He tweeted, CNBC is reporting on the broad spike in investor interest in Bitcoin in 2021, without mentioning its own involvement to fueling that interest. On CNBC, there was non-stop bullish coverage, frequent guest pumping, and an aggressive Bitcoin advertising push. 3. Bitcoin will lose market dominance in 2021. One trend that has emerged is that the crypto sector is more than simply Bitcoin. Bitcoin accounted for 70% of the overall market capitalization at the start of 2021. According to CoinMarketCap statistics, that proportion is now closer to 40%. This is due in part to the hundreds of new currencies that have been generated, but it is mostly due to the expansion of smart contract platforms like Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, and Solana, Sol. As more projects are launched on these platforms, they are gaining a larger portion of the market. It's no longer simply speculative trading in Bitcoin or Ethereum. We're talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, remittances, capital preservation, and many more verticals, Diogo Monica, president and co-founder of Anchorage Digital, told MarketWatch. From the expanding NFT industry to the rise of DeFi and metaverses, crypto has a lot of moving pieces. For this developing business, Bitcoin might serve as a digital gold standard. However, it is possible that it will be replaced with newer, quicker coins. Most other cryptos, according to Bitcoin maximalists like Jack Dorsey, go against the essence of the original digital money. He favors Bitcoin above all other currencies, claiming that the first cryptocurrency might one day become the internet's native currency. 4. Increased regulation is coming. So far, we've heard all sides of the argument, but very few individuals believe that further regulation isn't inevitable. On whether this is a good thing, opinion is divided. Many industry participants believe that clearer regulation will assist to boost investor confidence. Some, like as billionaire investor Mark Cuban, believe that regulation is required, particularly in the case of stablecoins. More drastic steps are advocated by Charlie Munger, the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and the man who called Bitcoin disgusting and antithetical to the interests of civilization. He recently said that China was correct in banning the currency. They are correct in stepping out, stepping hard on booms, and not allowing them to travel too far. We are inferior to China to the degree that my nation does not do so, he said. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.